smile at me, you freak.
You sound like a Furby. Monica's half Furby, half demon. I see.
North Macedonia.
I'm sure Northern Macedonia. And Nacho disappeared into the closet.
Nacho's gay?
If there's one thing if there's one thing that can make my reading time here any better, it's nice to have long legs. She's built like a giraffe. Okay, so if Monica's half Furby, half demon, what is Sayori? Half bird, half human.
Weeb.
You say weeb?
Yeah.
Is that what weebs sound like?
Exclamation point! My mouth gapes.
Exclamation point!
No, that's an I.
Who peed in the teacups?
What? How can I say something like that? Yuri.
Cause you suck.
Nice to me.
Okay, now kiss. And then they made out.
I don't know if I can keep up with this. It's tea! Please on my back.
Old hag.
How am I supposed to focus and read? By looking at the book?
Just look at the page, not her boobs, you'll get through it.
Isn't she so beautiful and smart? Ah! You admitted it!
Why does Sayori keep flirting with everyone?
Someone dies, don't they?
Oh, okay, so
I'm not even reading the names.
Jesus
I'm just reading what I see on screen.
Jesus Christ, Monica.
Cheese and rice mooning. I lost my vocal cords in the war!
I can't wait for the festival. It's gonna be great.
Ah? Were you complaining yesterday, Norbert?
Sayori shows me a big smile.
Don't smile at me. Can we get to the part where she dies? Don't smile at me, freak.
It's a white woman jump scare.
And goes off the cliff.
Say up.
Yep.
Whoops.
That's Shrek.
Nebraska!
Nickelback, you right? I understand how Nickelback feels.
They just say Nickelback in their voice.
Nickelback. Nebraska and Yuri.
That would be super.
Oh, Yuri shoots Nickelback. It's a very engaging and relatable story. Is that so? Does the main character also like to lick people's bloody fingers? I was just waiting the feeling of.
Okay.
Alright, I'll keep that in mind. Of course I'll be afraid to bring things up. Suppose I should go get
Mentally unstable chihuahua.
how hard you try. Whoa, be careful, you might cut yourself on that edge, Yuri. Oh, my bad. You already do, don't you?
Bruh.
Natsuki or Yuri?
Yes. White
Monica.
woman jump scare. Sigh.
Those are her boobs. Neosporin is reading manga. They make you a little too happy. What? Ah! White woman jump scare.
Said we're only 3 hours in and only one person has killed. Would you like me to say it a little louder into the mic?
Don't smile at me, you freak. Tez.
Oh.
Oh, fun time.
Gaslight Gatekeep Girl Boss. Would you like to read it?
Monica sounds like Toad. Am I that sexy? What do you want to get out of this club? Laid.
What? Anyway, Tez. What do you want to do today?
Oh.
I wasn't. What's that noise? Just Monica. Just Monica. Just Monica. Just Monica. Just Monica. Read it.
Okay.
Huh? Jesus Christ. Yes or no?
Okay. White woman jump scare. Like, what would happen if I jumped?
That. You're scaring me a little.
She's the only sane one here.
I'm madly in love with you.
No,
If it was like.
you are? Really? I mean, kill herself. And say no, she's gonna get too sad.
Bye bye, Yuri.
Just what I'm saying.
I'm sorry you had to see that though.
Don't worry, I forgive you.
Just the two of us in this classroom in the sky. Crimes of passion are just fine when enacted on AI. Why the world around me
This is gay.
started to become.
I want to thank you for
Ink flows down. What will it take just to find a special day?